Hi guys, how to install YouTube app on Windows, so let's get started. Now launch any web browser on your PC. I am using Microsoft Edge here, but Chrome or Firefox work the exact same way. In the address bar at the top, type www.youtube.com and hit enter. This takes you to the official YouTube homepage, and here is why this method is better than using the browser version. Look at the top right corner of your browser window and click the three horizontal dots. This opens the settings menu, and missing this icon is the #1 reason people get stuck. From the drop-down menu, hover your mouse over Apps. If you don't see it right away, click More Tools first, then Apps will appear. Keep watching, because the next step is where the magic happens. Click the option labeled Install YouTube. A small pop-up will appear. Go ahead and click the Install button to confirm. This turns YouTube into a dedicated desktop app. A final window will pop up asking if you want to pin the app. Check the boxes for Pin to Taskbar or Create Desktop Shortcut, then click Allow. Now you have one-click access to YouTube without opening a browser. Hit subscribe if this saved you time.